Yeah.
What happened over here?
I don't know. I think it just maybe started bubbling, maybe.
How long ago was it restored?
We've done this over. We got together in '99, so probably 2001 or two, maybe.
Okay, so
We tore it totally down. Everything, doors, fenders.
20-year restoration-ish.
Okay. And the pink stuff, don't look at that. That was me. Because I was trying, when they put the motor in, I was trying to match the car. And the guy goes, don't put that damn pink in there.
Yeah.
Well, I was planning on keeping it.
Right. Yeah, that's cool.
You know. But then I couldn't work with it. It just dried.